Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get warped bones in Monster Hunter World. Warped bones are exclusive bone pile materials found only in Rotten Vale. They spawn in areas 1, 2, 4, 5, 12, 13, and 16. Gather every bone pile, then leave the area or switch expeditions to reset the spawns. This method works because bone piles refresh when the map reloads. Try this route for efficient warped bones farming. And that's how to get warped bones in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.